Glow Showing Europe Africa Blue Book Ignou MA in Development Studies. Prepare smart. Succeed confidently with EncycloHub. Memo, white heavy checkmark. Pursuing Master of Arts in Development Studies from Ignou? Struggling with theoretical concepts, development models, or analytical writing in your exams? Let EncycloHub help you out. We provide previous year solved papers that simplify your preparation, improve your understanding, and help you score better in your term-end exams. Books what you'll receive. White heavy checkmark solved question papers from the last 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark well-structured, exam-oriented answers. White heavy checkmark coverage of all core subjects. Development theories and practices. Issues in economic development, governance and development, social sector development. White heavy checkmark updated as per the latest Ignou syllabus and exam pattern. Light bulb why choose EncycloHub? Small blue diamond expert prepared answers written in simple, effective language. Small blue diamond ideal for understanding answer formats and key concepts. Small blue diamond instant PDF delivery to your device. Small blue diamond student-friendly pricing. Small blue diamond trusted by thousands of Ignou students across India. Perfect for students looking to revise quickly, write better answers, and approach exams with confidence. Mobile phone with arrow to order. Message us on WhatsApp, your contact number, or DM us on Instagram at EncycloHub with MA Development Studies Solve Papers. Open book prepare.
Practice.
Perform. With EncycloHub, your trusted partner in Ignou success.